Hello everyone, welcome to All Things Flossy. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I make my delicious and yummy Ghanaian meat pies. These are the original Ghanaian meat pies. It's not fake. You can enjoy this pie with any beverage of choice. For my ingredients, I have my ground beef, I have my chopped onions, I have my batter I can't believe it's not batter brand. I have my garlic powder, I have my ginger powder, I have here some salt to taste. I have here also some grated nutmeg. I used some eggs and I divided into the egg white and then the egg yolk. I have here a mixture of water and whole milk. I also have here my baking powder and I also use cornstarch. I forgot to add that to the ingredient. I have here my all-purpose flour. I'm gonna start off by cooking my ground beef. I'm gonna divide my onions into two. Also, I'm gonna add my garlic powder, my ginger powder, my seasoning. You can use any season of choice. And then I'll be adding some salt to taste. Mix it all together until the beef browns. And now I'll be adding the other half of the chopped onions. I want to see these onions in the pie when I open it up. I'll be adding a mixture of the cornstarch. I'm going to add it gradually because I want to control the thickness of the filling. If you don't have cornstarch, you can use a flour as a substitute. Mix it all together, cook it for some time, and turn off your heat. For my pie crust, I'm gonna add some salt to the flour. I'm gonna add my nutmeg. I'm gonna add some baking powder, and I will mix it all together. Mix it thoroughly. When it's all mixed up, we're gonna be adding our batter. Mix it with your hand, or if you have a flour mixer or whatever mixer you have, you can, but mix it all together. Well, I'll be transferring into a bowl because this other one was very small. Now I have enough room to mix. Mix it all, and I will be adding my water and whole milk mixture. Mix it all together and knead while mixing. Knead it until it falls into a bowl. And so from previous experience, I have realized that before I roll it, I'll be dividing it into pieces because it's easier to work with that way. I'm cutting it all into individual pieces, and that's how I'm going to work with. Now I'm gonna flatten it out. I'm gonna sprinkle some flour on top to prevent it from sticking to the countertop. Roll it until to your desired thickness. I'll be cutting it with a bowl. I don't have a pie cutter, so I'll be using a bowl. And so before you put in the filling, I would advise that you brush the edges with the egg white. Seal the edges by pressing down on it. Continue doing it until all the dough is used up. When you're done, you brush the surface of the pie with the egg yolk. This will have a glossy finish when the pie is baked. Preheat your oven to 330 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna bake this for 25 minutes. I'm gonna poke the top of it with my fork to let the steam come up when the pie is in the oven. The pie is ready, and look how delicious and beautiful it looks. Look at that. Look at that. Super flaky, very, very moist. Smells so good, amazingly good. Look at that. Very moist and very flaky. I hope you give this pie a try. There we have it. Our beautiful, delicious, yummy Ghanaian meat pie. You can enjoy this with, like I said, any beverage of choice. Thank you all for sticking with all things Flossy. Until our next video, I hope you stay graced up. It's by the grace that we all here. Until next time, bye bye.